To make this Senior Photo Collage template in Canva, it is comprised of two steps. The first one is to make this TV design, and the next part is to make this typography design of this Senior and 2026. So please stay with me to the whole tutorial so that you can understand both the process and how to mix them and make a whole template design in Canva. So let's start with it. So first I will be using a TV design. I will go to recently used and click on see all, and I will use this TV design which says old TV transparent background. Okay, and it is a pro feature or pro element, and I will using this. So I will first bring it here. So as you can see, it is a transparent one. If I change the background, you can see this part, the screen part is transparent. Okay, so I am making it white again. So let's bring them together. Let's make it smaller and duplicate it and flip it. Click on flip horizontal and keep it this side. Okay, and I will just duplicate it and place this one above like this. Don't keep in the same position, otherwise it will not look good. And after that, duplicate this one and stack it above. Okay, like this one here, I will keep it, and I will make another one in the above like this. Okay, and this is the stacking design. Let's click on Ctrl+A in the keyboard to select all of them and make it slightly smaller. And after that, I will use images which says American football player. Okay, and I will click on photos, click on see all. Okay, and I will use this image right in the second part. This one in the lower end part, this one in the above, I will use this one in the lower part, and I will flip it and I will keep it right here. Okay, and this one I will use in the middle right hand side. Okay, and I will keep it here, crop it. Okay, now if I use directly the image, it will not look good as the TV is tilted. So to solve that, I will just go to apps, and here I will write skew. Okay, and I will use this one, and as it is tilted in the right hand side, so I will use the vertical skew and I will tilt it to the right hand side to +10. Okay, and I will click on add to design, and it is added here. Now I will remove this design. Next I will follow for this one, click on add to design again. This is done. I will remove it, keep it here. Now I will follow for this one. This is done. So as I did +10 this side, I will do -10 this side as the TV is tilted to the right hand side. So I will do -10 here, and I will click on add to design, keep it here, delete the original one and select this one and click on add to design. Okay, and I will just bring it here. Okay, and after that I will just resize all of them. Just select all of them and just decrease the transparency to 50 so that you can check it properly and no image is overlapping one over the other. And this I will keep it like this way, and now I will crop it from all the sides. And now I will use this one, keep it here, crop it again. Now I will use this one, now I will follow for this one. Now I will do for this one. Now select all of them again and increase the transparency to 100. Now go to layers, click on show layers, and while selecting all of them, move all the way below. And now it looks like it is displayed on the screen. Okay, so this part is ready. Now I will do for the next part, which is the typography part. So I will click on add page and I will go above to text, and here I will click on add a heading, and here I will write senior. So I will use SENIOR. Okay, and I will just bring it here, and after that the font I will use is Ultra, this one. Okay, and after that go to advanced setting, decrease the line spacing here, keep it like this, and let's make it bigger. And just keep it here. Okay, and now we have to work on the other part, which is I have to paste the pictures here. So for that again I will go to elements here and I will select some photos, but before that I will just make this O transparent by clicking white here. Now I will come here, I will just delete it and I will write here football helmet. Okay, and I will go to graphics and scroll down to find this one, and I will use this one, and I will just right click it, go to layer, bring to front, and I will make it smaller here, use this one. Okay, and after that I will use the images and this one, go to photos now. So for the first one I will use this one, I will use this one for N, I will use this one for E, I will use this one for I will use this one for R, and I will use this one for the helmet part. Okay, so I will select all of them. Again I will decrease the transparency to 50, and I will first use this one. Next I will use this one. Let's make it smaller. So one thing you need to check that none of the picture overlaps with the other, so that it will not create a good motion here. Third one is this one. Next is this one. Next one is this for the helmet. Next is this one. Okay, so all of them were set. Now I'll select all the photos. And I will press Ctrl plus X in the keyboard, and I will click on add page and Ctrl plus V to paste it, and increase the transparency to 100. Okay, and after that download just the page 2 and 3. Click on PNG and download the page 2 and 3, not the page 1. Okay, now when the downloading is done, click on add page and just re-upload both the images which you just downloaded. And just separate it here and scroll down to apps. Here now use blend. Click on blend image. After opening the app, make sure the blend mode is in screen, because this is the main important part to make this image. And I will select this typography and click on bottom layer, use selected image, and for the images use top layer here, and your design is done here. Just go to page 1 and select all of them by pressing Ctrl plus A in the keyboard and resize it, and just keep it right here, bring it slightly bigger and keep it here, and now click on add to design. So it is added. Now make it to the same size as the canvas. So as you can see, it has a white background. To remove it, click on BG remover. So now as the senior design is done, now move it slightly upwards here and go to text again. Click on add a heading and write 2026. And for this one, just I will bring it here and change the font to sports, and this sports world. And now our design is ready. So hope you like this tutorial, and this is a unique way to make the sports template in Canva. Thank you, and I will meet you in another tutorial next time.